Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Fix It Felix. I have a 2000 Volkswagen Jetta. I was driving it and I started, it was overheating. Right now it's in the middle, but if I let it sit for a while, it starts to overheat. AC is not working. The fans are not coming on. As you can see, they're off. And I noticed that it was this fuse right here. It goes right here. When I started to move it around just to check, I heard the compressor kicked in and the fan's turning on. So I found out this was the problem. So as you can see, once I'm putting you can see they're off. They're off. The compressor is off too. Let me show you. And once I put this on, you're gonna hear how it starts. There. Fuse is on. Fans turned on, both of them, and compressor started right off. So if your Jetta is overheating or your Volkswagen, I think this is the same for the Passat as well. Maybe the Rabbit too. I'm not sure if this video qualifies for the Volkswagen Rabbit as well. But if your car is overheating and your AC is not working, just check this fuse right here. This fixed my problem. So alright guys, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. As always, peace.